Good morning. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope you're enjoying the Olympics. The markets are now looking like they're becoming an Olympic event. Striving for gold. We get 4 straight days of down, and it looks like the world is coming to an end, followed by one big monster rally. In fact, if you look at the past 5 Fridays, you will see the market has had a triple-digit move one way or the other the last 5 Fridays. What does that tell you? It tells you that we really are in massive congestion in the markets overall. You will hear things about, well, you know, the unemployment number was better than expected. That was the reason it caused the rally. You'll hear it was oversold. The bottom line is the market was coming back down to a level of support and looked like it could use a possible rally, and the rally took off. It may be aided by the news for whatever reason. It doesn't matter. The bottom line is that if you trade the charts and you watch your levels, you will always be in the best spot to take charge of the market and what's going on. There is no reason to try to trade the news because it cannot be traded. Even if you knew the number ahead of time, you know, how would you know? Because if you take a look at Thursday, last Thursday the Dow was up 100 before Draghi spoke. Okay, so what happened between Thursday morning when Draghi spoke, the market was up 100, then down 100, and then on Friday? What really fundamentally in the world changed? And the answer is absolutely nothing. Okay, which is why we're going to talk about tomorrow, about news. But looking at last week, so we had a sell-off, we had a rally, we laughed, we cried. Bottom line is we are still stuck in congestion, and now we're right at the upper end. We are breaking out, and it's going to be very close to watch here to see what's going to happen. If we can actually break out the next up leg, or is this just another false breakout, which we have now had? This will be the 3rd attempt to take the next leg. So looking into this week, you know, we've got a light, as of last week was a very heavily news-driven week. This is a very light news week. The charts are breaking out. We've still got earnings coming out. We've still got reports to face. It looks to me like we got to watch and see what happens around this Dow 13,000, S&P 1370. If we can hold above those levels, there's no reason to believe that the market cannot take the next leg higher. Okay, commodities are starting to get a little bit stronger here. We're getting the weaker dollar. There's a lot of things going on there that are appearing to put what we would call the risk on, trade back on. Me, I want to see some evidence in the charts. I'm not one of these believers in, you know, following the herd. I want to be able to make my own educated decision by what I'm seeing in the market. Do not fall into the trap of what everybody else is, because the markets, as you've noticed now, can turn on a dime. They can be straight down for 4 days and a monster up move, or straight up for 4 days and a monster down move. Do not be fooled by the action. Follow the footprints, follow the trade. Remember, Bubba's picks on fire. Remember, Monday, have a great day. The Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Tuesday. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow.